As we move forward, we're asking our customers to trust us even more, to give them even more of that insight into what's happening behind the scenes. And I'm happy to give that more of that intelligence out. There's still IP. You want to keep your secret sauce, but helping them understand the results of the secret sauce is really, I think, imperative to have that trust, because we're in several areas, even at prescriptive, we're literally asking our customers to trust what we're telling them for them to go act upon. So they need to be able to trust that we're as serious about the consequences of that decision they make as they are. And so we want to make sure we're with them and have skin in the game for that knowledge that they're trying to bring to bear.
I'm very passionate about the simplicity, as you mentioned, but that's hard to do, right? If you think about bringing data stuff to people in general, MDM, there's nothing easy about it. There's even some of the stuff that you're doing and trying to understand that. So I'm always a big fan of either building communities or programs that will help your customers get the most out of your products, because you know what, there's always more complications than you think there is for anybody. It's just a reality. The deeper you can go into showing people how to use it, what it's about, use cases and things like that, the better, because you show one person, oh, I didn't know you could do that. They just, because we in general just think we want this data for this, but you can actually use it for these things too. And so I'm just a big proponent of building engagement type programs that go deep into the products and show people how to use it and everything. I didn't do that necessarily with you, but I did that with your team at Google, or if they wanted to.
I think part of it's, I think there's a couple of ways of having that simple mode. I think number one, it is looking at, I talked about the moment of truth, meeting them in their natural place of work, right? So I think if you ask an individual to leave the work that they're in, say they have a CRM tool and they're used to working that CRM tool all day long, and now they've got to leave to go find prospects, they've got to leave to go get data and then come back, you're taking them out of that natural environment. So the intent would be, in a CRM, why can't I bring sales and marketing data directly into the world that they live in? So it really matches them at their point of need.